I looked into the mirror today, saw a stranger in my eyes, lines of time upon my face, a truth I can't deny. I remember running barefoot, chasing dreams beneath the sun. Life was simple, life was endless, when I was still so young. Now those days feel far away, like echoes in my mind. In the mirror of life I see a child fading in me. Every moment is a gift, like waves upon the sea. Time will never wait for us, it keeps moving on. Yesterday I was a child, today stand a man. I've loved and I have lost, felt the fire and the pain, held on to broken pieces just to feel alive again. Through the nights I learned to stand, through the storms I learned to grow. Every scar became a story only time could truly know. And I whisper to my soul, don't let these moments fade. In the mirror of life I see a truth inside of me. Every second that I breathe is all I'll ever need. Time will never slow its pace, it just carries on. Yesterday I was a child, today